We are live, right? Let me connect. So today we are learning a bit late. It's fine. Let me register the contest. First, we need a VS code also. We are having VS code, right? We register. We registered and change the title. So this and we are good to go. First question. Takashi has a hobby of weather observation and record the daily high temperature. He has recorded a temperature for N days. The highest temperature of is 8 degrees Celsius. Takahashi is interested in a period where temperature on a consecutive day is strictly increasing. Okay. Want to know the length of the longest rising period. Its longest increasing subsequence is a different question. And it's an easy question actually, but the thing is the constraint is too big. That's fine. Okay. Yeah. Follow the process described in the question. That is what I think the solution. Oh, I have to do full screen. Yeah, sorry. Now my screen is visible. The question is we need to find a increasing sequence, a maximum length of increasing subsequence. That is what a question is about. Okay. Taken the input, answer should be 1. Current is equal to 1. If A of I is greater than A of I minus 1, count plus plus. Else answer is equal to max of answer comma count. The count should become 1. That's it. And we fucked up. What's the what's the error? This is what, right? It is strictly increasing. What it is? Strictly strictly increasing order. So not equal to, right? There's no like less than equal to. It's strictly. Yeah, that is what we are checking here. And here also answer should is equal to. Yeah, this is what I miss. We are good to go. Let me submit and move to the next question. Let's hope today we'll solve 4 questions. Last 2 questions, I'm getting stuck at third. Open the chat also. Yeah, we got AC. Let's move to the second question. Just a minute. Let me open the chat. And yeah, Circular card rotation. There is a good trick to break the circularity. Let's see if that trick will help here. I will discuss. Otherwise, I will skip. Children are numbered from 1 to n and they are arranged in a clockwise direction. Okay. The operation is this. Every simultaneously pass the card to the children next to them. Okay, in each operation, everyone pass exactly one card and receive exactly one card. So the operation of each after K operation determine the number written on the card that each children is holding. Sorry, it's not about circularity only now. After K operation, what will be the number? So actually we need to find the shift. So my what I am thinking is, say we have five, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? So if we start with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every multiple of 5, we are at again the same, what we can say, same look, not look, same arrangement. Okay, let's me put in this way. What else otherwise? This will shift to by remainder. Yeah, this will shift by the remainder. And k, and k. Let me find the remainder. So this is the shift we will get. Let me take the input first. Visible, right? Hmm. Let me put it this way. Say answer. So what will be the new index? New I is equal to I plus remainder. And this remainder should also within the size of this. It's a zero base, so it will affect or not. Let's see. The answer of new index is equal to the current value. Ideally, it should not. Oh, what the fuck? Why we are getting zero? Okay, we're not taking the input correctly. That means what's the input actually? N and K. Okay. A is just a number. 5, 1, 2, 3. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks, bro. Crazy name. Dog shit. 1, 2, 3. Thanks, bro. So let me make it to one base. Then it fucked up here. What I'm missing is, oh, we need to shift. It's like this. Yeah. Seem like we are getting, yes, we are getting. So the only if k is equal to 0, we don't need to shift. Then we simply print and return. La 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 la. That's it. Let me submit and see. I think, yeah, we are in right direction at least. Why runtime? Why runtime? Okay. This should always from 0 to n minus 1, right? Why we are hitting runtime error? What the fuck? We have 15 wrong answer and 6 runtime. That means we did some shit here. What is that? Really? See, we need to perform a K operation. Where is my drawing? Oh, drawing went wipes off. That's we have one, two, three, four, 5%, right? K time will rotate this. K time will rotate this wheel, and yeah, that's all we want. Okay, that's all we want, right? See, 2. Then 1 shifted by 2. 0. Then everything is shifted by 0. 25 means everything is shifted by 1 because if you do 12 more 25, it will give. So we need to shift everything by remainder. So there's an easy solution. We'll not go with this complex logic then. What we can do is here, we'll start printing from remainder. See, you just need to be calm. You will get your required solution. Wait. I will show you what I am trying to do. So everything is shifted by this. What I can say is n minus reminder minus 1. See, we're getting 4, 5, right? That's all. Now we need to start from. Bro, I do competitive programming as a fun activity and it's been a 5 year for now. Almost 5 year, I can say. What the hell it is? Why, why, why are you getting? Wait, reminder n minus 1 minus reminder because we are having a zero base index. Okay, okay. Why this is not? Let me debug. Let's debug. That is the only option we left with. Debug. Oh, this is being minus 1. Okay. What this is giving? So this is a special case, 0. This is also being minus 1. What the fuck is going on here? If k is 0, then there is no shift. We simply print A. See, it's not. I started too early, but I didn't practice too much. Okay, there is no one question. Let me focus here then. Reminder is 6. We are getting this is that's fine. Reminder is 12. This is what something we just need to do. N is equal to if n is less than k, just swap. Cool. Wait, let not disturb this. ये दिल दीवाना है ये दिल What we are getting is n minus 1 minus rim is 10. Okay, where? Here, right? It should be reminder, right? And should be an element. Hmm. So zero base. So good. Thanks, bro. In which year you are in? I don't understand anything, but it's fun to watch. Hey, little Ivana. Let me do this way. And we don't need these things. Crazy name, you have dog shit. Ah, what I'm missing here? I'm getting confused. Should I move to next question? Should I move to next question or I should debug this only? Ivana, hey, little. My screen is visible, right? Yeah, it is visible. What I am missing is three, right? So we are shifting three, everything one, two, three. Yeah, we are shifting three. Zero, one, and it should be two. The n minus three should be two. N is five minus three, it should be two. Yes, but why I'm getting this? No worry. I know nothing about this. I am just 2, 3 days year old in coding. It's actually fun to do coding. See, you don't need to know anything. Just need like that's what, bro. It's all about how much interest you are having in the things. Anything you can learn. Yeah, sure. Start as much as early you can. That's the best advice I can give you. Start with C++ because there's lots of resource available. Python is also a good option. C++ is also a good option. Learn the basics. Try to apply. where you can apply your learnings. Then that's how you can build your confidence. Then practice, practice, practice. That's how it is. See, wait. I can see here it's a 2. Yeah, here it's a mistake. See, you just have. I am currently learning Python and I don't understand anything. As you said, you have only spent 2 to 3 days, right? That's how not learning should look like. You have to spend at least. Let me move myself up a bit so you can see the chat. Can I learn Python basic in 1 month? Sure, you can. It's not difficult also. You just need to get familiar with the syntax. Once you get familiar with the syntax, then you can apply that learning to easy questions. You can pick any easy questions. Let me show you. See, in a 1 and 2 days, you can't decide it's easy or hard. Even though it's so you can so how long I am involved in coding. It's just a matter of time. Let me move to the next question. I'm confused here for this question. We will come back. No, I want to complete. Wait. It's an easy question and I have already implemented a lot. 5 mod 2 is 5 mod 2. It will give 3, right? Why it's not giving 3? 5 mod 2, it actually 1. Thanks. Dog shit. Should I change my channel name to something crazier? Code shit. Let's make it code shit. Uh, Let me move to the next question then. It's like if it is greater than, if n is greater than k, then we simply need to count equal to n by k. N minus is equal to count into k. No, remainder is equal to n minus count into k. Right. 5 means 2 shift, 2 shift doesn't help. Oh, oh. K is less than n, that is your reminder. This is what it is. Why if n is greater than k, that means Currently, I know bit about variable, identifier, keyword, data type, and a bit about operator. Yeah, bro, you are in a good start. Don't worry. Just complete any playlist which teach you a basics. Once complete the entire playlist, you will have a decent knowledge what you can apply, where you can apply, what are the things, what are the possible. See, if you know the tools, then you will know how where you can use. If you don't know the tools, then how you can use them. Just try to find the similarity. So first try to gather the tools. It's not like you should learn everything in first go and then you can apply. Just gather a decent amount of knowledge, then start with a simple question, I can say. Hmm. If n mod k, then remainder is simply is equal to n mod k. This should work. Yeah, this is working. What else? This is working. Cool. And here we fucked up. What we did is, sure, I regularly do live stream at 4:30. You can join. That's a good motivation for me also to do a live stream. Right. What I'm missing here, wait. N is greater than K. What if it's N less than K? Should be K mod N then. मैंने इसकी नजर को देख. Okay, so I got it. If it is this, then I have to do this. Yes, it is. We're getting 4, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is also fine. This is also correct. This is also correct. And this is also correct. Let me submit and see. Please pass. I want to move to the next question. I will not waste more time on this shit question. I write a shit code. I don't want to debug that code. Let's move to this question. Prakash is shopping at a supermarket. There is n items in the store, and the ith item has a satisfaction value of VI and a price of CIN. Okay, each time you can purchase at most one. Eh? Each item can be purchased at most once. Okay. Takashi has a S yen on his hand. You want to spend exactly S yen. Okay. Consider selecting and purchasing one or more items from N store. If there exists a way to select items such that the total price exactly K, find the maximum total satisfaction among all such selection. Oh, this is also a standard question. You have to find all the subset whose sum is equal to S. In fact, this is a good question. You have to find all the subset whose sum is equal to S, and from each subset, you have to find, say, constraint is also pretty low, then it can be DP. It can be DP, right? What it can be then? Should I move to second question? I'm not feeling confidence. I'm not having enough confidence to solve this question because, as I remember, it's a subs. We have to find. See, I know how to get a subset whose sum is equal to S, but how to get all the subset whose sum is equal to S? That is also possible, right? Yeah, that's also possible. Mm, hanging top is not looking good then. Let me bring back me and the subscriber count. This looks good. Okay. What's the fourth question? So, if we only solve one question, then this is the shittest contest ever. It's like I did a shit in this contest. What's the getting two run times? That's fine, but I want to see the details where I can find my submission. Here I can find. Still, we are getting eight wrong answer. That means something is miss. Something is still miss. Messy. So if n is greater than k, then we'll perform k shifts. If this is the case, if remainder is so after n shift, we are at the original configuration, right? And we do this, count is equal to k by n, k minus equal to count into n, then debug k. And just a sanity check. K is 1. K is 1. K is 1. What that mean? We are good to go, right? Silence kills me. Should not be side that. And yeah, fucked up. Something we are getting. K. K is 1, right? Why K is 0 here? Okay, K is 0. K is 0. all the possibilities. Let me try all the possibilities. This things is a shit. If someone say will, people will definitely. We are missing something smaller. Oh, for test case also we are getting runtime error. Okay, okay. In which test case? No, right? We are not getting any. Sample, we have four test cases. One, two, three, and four. Why runtime error? Sample? There is no runtime error in sample, right? I have to be good at the simple questions. People will definitely make a fun and fuck. Why runtime? मैंने उसकी नजर को छोड़ा. Why this is fire runtime? Let me remove few debugs. K. It is passing all the test cases. Why it's saying runtime error then? K is 10 to the power 18, that's fine. N minus 1, that's the last accessible element. We have 16 minutes. Can I able to solve this in 16 minutes? Even though I took an hour to solve this question. It's an easy question. Why runtime error? Oh. K should not be zero, right? Yeah, the fuck I'm doing. Now this is fine. So if K is zero, then this should be fine. N won't be zero, like N can't be zero. This and this should work now. Do we have any discussion? No, right? Yay, we get rid of runtime error now. Now we are getting wrong answer. That means the logic have some shit in it. Hi, bro. Hi, Arjun. Let me talk with the hi, hi. What else I'm missing then? Let me think. We are getting wrong answer. Let me move myself a bit so I can read a chat also. Uh, Hi, Sriram Arjun, bro. Currently practicing lead code. Why do you prefer C++ rather C? Bro, I think you're missing something. C++ give you an edge in term of STL. Just search STL, standard template library. You will get to know the magic of C++. There's lots of data structure you will easily accessible in C++, which is not present in C. I personally find that is something more useful. Just search STL love. There's one very good playlist in a YouTube itself by Love. Just watch that. C++ STL by Love. Just watch this playlist and you will get to know the power of C++. This guy is a god. Just watch the playlist of STL, you will get to know why I preferred C++ over C. And next another card followed. That's fine. That's right. C++ actually, see, underline hood, what's your main intent? Like, hi, AIVG, just lost my job, forget all coding, how to start. See, a coder is always a coder. You, it's not like you forget the coding, it's like you are not practicing enough. That's all. You just need to start practicing and you will get to know. So, Sri Ram Arjun, I'm just like coming to your question, like C++ is actually a micro over C only, but the thing is, in a competitive programming, STL is quite useful. Uh, I can say like you can rather implementing a data structure, you will have access of a data structure. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's all. That's why I use C++. Crazy man. I also do Dart and Kotlin. Just I just remembering my college days. Actually, I started doing what can I say, Android development, and then I have also built a it's a private repo, but let me show you. I built a sample camp. I don't even remember the name. I built an application in a Kotlin itself. So where is my repos? That's how I get to know about Kotlin. Yeah, I do Flutter development also back in my college days. There's a mobile application I built in a Kotlin. It's a code forces application only, but it's a code card or something. Yeah, code card. Thanks. Coder is a coder. Coder is always a coder. Say this is the application. It's a basic application. I just want some hands-on on a Kotlin. One of my friend, this person is a pro, and this person. These are the pro in Android development, and I just want a glimpse of how Android development looks like. So I started doing some Android development in my college days. And for today's contest, I can say I fucked up. I don't know why. I usually do 4 questions, but I also should start practicing. Let me absolve this contest and we'll come back. We'll do comeback in next contest. Any more questions? Or should I end the stream? Currently working in a argument reality with some native code with Flutter. Oh, good. Native. So you're building some AI argument reality application. Is your personal project or it's a project you're working currently in somewhere else? Flutter is also like at a peak. You'll get same like has a C++ plus plus in a competitive programming. Flutter, I feel, has a good community support you'll get from the developers because you will find the libraries for your use cases. For Flutter, I have also built few applications. And how can I Dart, yeah. See, see, see. Uh, this is a repo. Wait, this is what I followed some YouTube tutorial and tried to build an application, something like this. It's a YouTube. There is a playlist. I forgot the name, but there's a playlist who actually teach you these things. Has currently working. Okay. Sriram Arjun is saying, yes, for Nitro ecosystem as much as possible for Flutter. I'm also working some open source plugins for this is some cool stuff actually. To build a library, to build a plugin. I personally feel a cool stuff too. It's actually engineering, a real engineering. Because see, there you have to like it's not like it's bug free. There are bugs always. There's a room of improvement. But the thing is the way you think because it's not a wrapper or something. It's a proper plugin, a library that's do actual work under the hood. And best resource to learn Java backend. Java, I don't have any experience, but I can see the backend. Yeah, it matters actually. Language, sorry, pro, I don't have a solid recommendation for Java backend. Selenium is the good start in Java. Selenium, but the playlist, because I personally didn't code in Java much. I know Java, but I personally didn't have code that much in Java. मैंने उसकी नज़र को देखा. I just want to see how what's the intended solution. Uh, if k is 0, then this is fine. Here something is messed up. Why I did this, I have no idea. Have you checked 1 billion loop benchmark of language start? No, bro. I have to check. What's that? 1 billion? What's that 1 billion loop benchmark? I mean, search. This is. I want to switch from backend. What should I learn? Why you have to switch? Backend is actually a good career, right? Ju- This is what, right? Let me. What's this? What is this? You can either try to increase the warm-up count or rerun the benchmark. This is a benchmark. Oh, okay. Got it. How effectively it is handling the loop. That is what you're trying to say, right? Ramarjan? One more guy is asking something. I want in my previous backend is a good career choice, right? Why you want to choose? Currently, I'm in fourth sem. What is to get? Okay, you given gate, right? So it depends on the number of students. It's not that difficult to. It's a difficult. It's not difficult. It's let's not talk about difficulties. See, you need to give a gate exam. You need to get a decent score in gate exam. Plus, you need to give a separate exam, PG CAT. PG CAT. There is an exam for master, PG CAT. You will give the PG CAT exam, then they will release a, what can I say? They will release a merit list. Merit list contains, it doesn't show you how much you scored. It just give you a rank. Rank is, as I know, rank is generated from your gate score plus your PG CAT score combined. They'll generate your fees. Everything you will get to know in website itself. You just search triple IT Delhi. Everything is here. You'll find everything. Admission, admission academics, and admission MTech. You'll get everything. See, here you can see MTech CSC and everything is here. See, you can just go through this website, you'll find everything. Just go to this website, you will get everything. So coming back to this question, I want to switch to backend. Oh, you want to switch to backend. Sorry, I have misread the backend can go with Golang. Golang is a good language for backend development. Then Java is also good. That's actually Java is also good for backend. So see, my recommendation is stick with the language. Stick with any one language, master that language, then it's always easier for you to switch between language. It's just a point of syntax. If you change the language, there is a change in the syntax. And one more thing, the language has some specific functionality, right? All so basic functionality and the syntax. Under the hood, the entire logic will remains the same. That's all for today. I have to do a practice. Then only I can improve, right? That's the only way. Because today's contest I fucked up, literally fucked up. Only one question is not a good start. What's actually a benchmark by Dart? Yeah, exit performance that include Java is 4 faster. Dart was roughly 4% faster than Java. Dart was roughly 60x faster than Java. Dart, crazy man. Hats off to darts. Hats off. I I know some basics in darts actually. So that's all for today. You can check what's this bench DD. Okay, it's a website. Oh, this is a guy. Education. This guy do what's the involvement of this guy? This guy is 876. Thanks. Thanks, bro. At least you noticed. That's a huge respect. Thanks, bro. Language 2. Thanks, AIVG. Thanks a lot, man. At least you have noticed. Let me show you once more. I'm not flexing myself. I'm showing how hard work I've put in. I still not get Sriram Arjun. Special heart for you. There is a Mac feature. Does it generate heart or not? Let me know. Someone in the chat, let me know. Is this generating a heart or not? Does it generate heart? Yes, it is. Yes, thanks. I think I need to restart my programming with C++ after 4 years of Flutter and Dart. Completed my MCA and continuing masters. See, Dart and Flutter is a development, right? C++ is something is like low level. Wait, I have to end the stream and so the what where I am, yeah. C++ is something like you can prefer for low level programming. I can say hardware implementation or a competitive program is the best is C++. I personally feel. Dart is also a good skill you have. It's not like you should completely stop that. So that's all for today, guys. Bye bye. Thanks for joining, everyone. We'll join tomorrow. Bye bye.